welcome to the project demonstration of automatic room light intensity controlling system along with fan speed controlling based on the temperature sensor. So here we have interfaced the two sensors. So that is one LM35 temperature sensor and also LDR light dependent resistor sensor. Based on these two inputs from the sensors to the microcontroller, it will control the output modules like DC fan and this LEDs through this transistor board. So one board is for the LEDs and one board is for the DC fan. So LM35 temperature sensor is analog output which will provide the temperature in terms of voltage as well as same light dependent resistor also. So it will check the lighting on the surface of this light dependent resistor, and based on these two values it will control the speed and intensity of these lights by using the PWM signal generated from the C1 and C2 pins of our PIC16F73 pin. So here the power flow is, we are going to provide the input of 230 volts from this cable to the transformer. So it will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and there was an input power supply source to the our regulator power supply board. So on this board we are going to convert the 12 volts of AC to 12 volts of DC, that is a pulsating DC after the bridge rectifier. So the pulses will be removed with the help of this capacitor, and after that we will get the constant DC of 12 volts. So that is a 12 volts main input to the 7805 regulator. So the 7805 regulator which will provide the 5 volts constant voltage, and that was given as power source to the our PIC microcontroller. Once it get the power supply, then it will start reading input from the input sensors and it will control the output, as well as so-called status will be displayed on the our 16:2 LCD screen which is interfaced at B2 to B7. So A0 for the LM35 and A1 is for the LDR. So let us see the demonstration. Once we switch on the kit, then there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and after that it start reading input from the sensors and display the temperature and lighting. So now it is bright light is available. So now we are switch off. Right, so we can see the brightness is increasing, and also the light status will be displayed on as dark and decreasing. So once we switch on the flashlight, right, you can see that the brightness is decreasing. Okay, and coming to the temperature. So already we set for the temperature limits. Now it is 25 degrees, and when I am increasing the temperature, you can see that, right, the motor start rotating. Right, as keep on the temperature is increasing from the sensor, so the microcontroller will increase the pulse duration to the DC fan. So in this way we can control the home devices like lights and fan based on the lighting intensity as well as temperature inside the room.